Yan, good evening. Ito na yung talong ko kanina na hinarvest doon sa aking pananim. Nakadalawang harvest na ako doon so far. Sana marami pang darating na harvest. Ang cute, di ba? Ang lalaki ng talong ko. And this one is very healthy dahil wala siyang wala siyang mga mga matawag no fertilizer na. Ay, medyo may may something. Tingnan natin sa ilalim. All yung kanyang fertilizer all organic. So, maganda to. Healthy. Ay, mabubusog na naman ako nito sa aking kakainin. Ito lang yung aking ulam, tapos mga gulay-gulay. Actually, marami pa lang pagkain. Kunti lang siya tinan, pero marami akong pagkain. So, ayan na yung ating ulam. Medyo madami-dami to. Iano ko lang to siya mga siya sa satay ko lang siya sa, prito ko pala siya sa olive oil. Tapos yun lang. Yummy na. Yung kanya, no? It's hot. Be careful, anak. You have to blow first before you put in your mouth. Sis Mariosep. Late na, anak. Bastos ka. Oh. Where's the water? Where's your water? There's no water? No? Okay, let me get the water for you, anak. Yung mga tubig mo lang po. Just wait lang po. Ang video niya pala. The baby, ayan na. Yeah. Pag namamatay yung cellphone, na siya, nag-alala. What is that? What are you having now? Say, I'm having pasta and eating. My baby Yana is eating. Hurry up, nak. Para kakain din ako, nak. Kasi yung ulam ko, nak, napakasarap. Yeah, may ulam is napakasarap. Pero ang kalat ng ating dito. Harapan. Ano ba yan siya? We have a lot of food. Kaso lang, mga healthy lang yung food natin, anak, for this time. Yeah. Eat healthy. Live healthy living. Oh, mayroon pang akong kangkong. Ano pala lutuin ko na to, anak. Si Dardang nak, ikaw muna dyan, mahala. Lutuin yung ating okra, kaya masisira na ito. Are you okay na? What's that? Okay. What are you doing? Why you're shaking your head? Huh? Nom nom nom. There you go. What happened? You want more? I give you more. You want more? I can give you more. Okay. That's enough for now. You have to finish it first before asking you one. What do you want? What do you want now? Water? You want me to give you yogurt? No, we don't have yogurt now. Where's your Yakult? Yeah, this one is good for you. Yeah, you want Yakult? I can give you Yakult. But you have to finish your food first, okay? And drink this one. Yeah. Just have to be careful. What will you say? What do you say? Say thank you, mommy. Say thank you very much, yung ate. Senyorita.
No.
Yeah, it's what do you call this one, anak? It's A B banana. No, anak, don't squeeze it. I will give you another one. But you have to finish your food, anak. This one. Ang cute ng ano namin, oh. Saging. Banana. Yeah, it is banana, anak. Ay, nako. Ang dami mo ng pagkain. Nagkaano na naman yung ano mo. Finish your food. Finish your food. Banana. Yes, it is banana. That's a banana. Eat, anak. Eat, that's good, anak. Senyorita na banana. Napasok pa ako. Kainis, oy. Ang init no, nak. Nanginginit yung aking kamay. Napasok yung aking 4 na pirasong daliri. As in yung kanyang ano ng init, oh. Kalabad. Nag-aapo yung aking daliri. Tingnan ko lang din si jowa nito. Ay! Ano ba ito? Okay. And this one. Yamas. Oh! Gulat ako, anak, ah. Nagulat ka din? Gulat din ako, eh. Tapos ito yung aking ano, naka-blanch lang yan siya na ano na kangkong. Okay. Kain tayo. Masarap man to kahit walang lasa. Nilagyan ko lang to ng konting sesame oil. Yeah, that looks good, anak. Okay, and this one for daddy. You can give this to daddy. Okay. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, mga shots. Thank you, Lord. Ang sarap. Anak, you're wasting the ano, anak. You're wasting it. pinag-asikaso ko sa pagkain mo.
Nasaan yung sinigang?
Hindi.
Yan naman.
What's that snack?
Stop, you're only playing with it.
No. Nom nom.
Nom nom. Want this one? Okra? But it's still hot. Still hot. Later, I will give you. Let it cool down first.
Dapper.
Mm-mm. Mm.
Nom. Nom.